Babe, wake up! It's 7 o'clock. We have a lot of to do today. It's Vlogmas!
But first, let's make a coffee.
Come on, it's Vlogmas! Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is Vlogmas 4th day. So yeah, we have a lot of to do today. We have to packing all the order what we sold on in the weekend, and we have to post them because tomorrow we go to auction and hopefully we find some bargains. I have a pickup this morning which is absolutely amazing profit. I show to you later, so stay tuned and I will show to you everything. If you new in the channel, please like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to follow us on Instagram DJRU77. See you. So this is what we sold in the weekend so far, and some of the item at home, so I have to pack from home. Some of them I already showed to you in the latest videos on Friday and Saturday, but which one I didn't show to you? This princess as a doll sold for $12.96 with free postage. Sold this white t-shirt. It cost us around 50 pence, and we have a lot of them. And this sold for £14.96. This one you already seen in the video. It's Winnie the Pooh in Christmas outfit. We sold last night a TomTom one GPS. I think for 1 second, I check it now, £19.96. I think we paid £1 or £2. Also sold this Lion King Zazu bird for £14.96. This is the Peppa Pig bundle, which is sold for almost 40 quid. This one, the PS1 gun, which is sold for 6 quid. This is Aroma Giraffe soft toy, which is sold for 1 second, for £10.99. So cool. Also, it's Meow from the Pokemon, like you can see, not in the best shape, sold for £15. The ice skate is sold for £25. I think we paid £2 for this one. And yeah, we sold what is that? The sewing machine for 30 quid spare and repair. And yeah, so far it's like that. Oh, I forgot some things. Yeah, the Aldi carrots bundle for I think 12 quid, and McDonald's limited edition glass for £7 plus postage. And now we're starting to put in all of the other small Christmas card, which is cost like few pence for us. And all the time when we send these cards for the others, we get very cool and kind positive feedback as well. So yeah, it's a little gesture, but the buyers always love when you send something for them, like just small cards, because it's make them happy. And yeah, let's start to pack them, and we show to you when we're ready with that. So we already packed all of the order what we sold in this weekend. So what we have to do, we put on the label on that, and we're going to post them. After that we go home, we make some photography, and I will show to you what we picked up from marketplace. Stay tuned. So we are at home now. We have to do some fixing, and also I told you before I picked up something from Facebook Marketplace. I didn't pick it up because they bring it to me to my house. I'm so happy about that because I didn't find very often stuff on Facebook Marketplace because you have to be very fast, and I just give up to search item on that. And yeah, I picked up two portable video player, which I paid £20 for both, but I think I told you already. It's here the monitor or small TV for that, and also it's here the VHS player. Have the original remote with that, and like you can see, in mint condition, and all the papers, the manual books for both item. So if we listing this item, we listing one of them on eBay today for I think 200 to 250 pound. So for both item we paid £20, and we're looking for, should be, I think easily we can make 350 profit on these two items. And yeah, I tested out, perfectly working, and like I said to you, it's in mint condition. So it's very hard to find in this condition with the original case, original papers and etc. So yeah, we have a good pickup for today. So I mentioned yesterday I tried to fix this Grinch, and yeah, now it's working. Definitely guys have to look out for Pizza Hut soft toys, because they are going for £20 to 30, 40, 50. Should be the resale value on this item in this condition, because now it's working for around I think 22.40. I don't know how much I'm listing for, but yeah, it's a small bolo for today as well, and with this item. Also, what we have to do today, we packed some of the item, but we have some Funko Pop which we sold in the weekend, and we have to post that. So we sold two things in the early afternoon. We sold a humidifier for £20 plus postage. I think we paid £5, and we used for around few months. Also we sold Huawei Freeview set-top box for £15, and we're waiting a few items the payment. I don't know if they paid or not, but it's so annoying. We have 5 items which is waiting for payment now. Hopefully they paid, but I'm not sure, because when I accepted I just checked the feedbacks and I'm not sure they're going to pay. So let's do some photography, let's listing some items, and later I show to you what's going on. So we already listed some items, and she made some photo for scheduling. I think that's it for today. We have to end this video sooner, because we want to sleep a little bit and take a rest. And we have to wake up very early tomorrow, because we are going to the auction. So guys, finger crossed we find some bargains there. We show to you everything tomorrow, and we try to make some video as well in the auction, but because of the law we can't do that honestly, because it's a private auction. So hope you enjoyed this video. I know it's not much interesting things in this video, but I just would like to show to you what we do today, and what I picked up on Facebook Marketplace. So thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to follow us on Instagram, DJRU77. Take care guys, see you tomorrow. Bye bye.